Alright guys, so here's how you can make a video private on YouTube while using your mobile phone. So for that reason, first of all, you need to open up your YouTube application and simply go with the profile icon on the bottom right side corner. And make sure that you are signed into the YouTube channel that has the video. So for my case, I have this channel logged in, and here you can see this is the video. So now if I want to make it like private, for that reason I will go and select these three dots here beside the video, three dots. Simply tap on that and simply go with the edit option. Now once you have here, you can simply go and select the visibility, select this option and go with the private. Now once you have selected the private, go back and simply go with the save button. It will take some time to save, and as you can see, the video has been published as private on YouTube by using only your smartphone. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.